Hello, welcome. Today we are going to unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. I bought this from Amazon.in few days ago and today morning I received the beast, and this is the box, the A8 Plus, the A8 Plus 2018. As you can see from the screen, it has an infinity display and dual front camera. Yes, dual front camera and Samsung Pay. It has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory, and it is 64-bit octa-core processor, 16 MB of rear camera of course, and 3500 mAh of battery plus fast charging, and it is IP68 water and dust resistant, of course 4G LTE. That's it. Let's see what is inside. Let's get into it. The box is pretty hard. I need an unboxing knife, but there is no knife with me right now, so I used my hands and this is the beast, the Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. Let's see what's inside this box. I think it's paperwork. Yeah, Samsung is providing a case. Yes, it's a case for Samsung Galaxy A8. It's nice to see Samsung providing case. It's a hard case, not flexible. Let's see what else. Okay, a SIM ejector tool and quick start gate. That's it. And yeah, the Samsung charger, standard earbuds, USB type C cable. Let's boot this baby up. Just like the Samsung Galaxy S9, the fingerprint reader is in nice position, and the screen. And I saw this question in many places like YouTube comments and many other places. It's good to buy OnePlus 5 or 5T or this one, the Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. The A8 2018 is not for the phone enthusiasts or the one who need the maximum performance. This is the few photos I took few hours ago, and you can judge the quality by yourself. And let's continue. And the OnePlus 5 and 5T having the Snapdragon 835 and 8 GB or 6 GB of RAM, and it has the UFS, universal flash storage. It is around 400 or 500 Mbps read and write. So the performance of that handset is pretty good when comparing to A8. This is A8 and OnePlus 5 in terms of performance. OnePlus 5 and 5T will win all the time. So for performance you don't need to consider this handset, but overall you can play games. I'm going to play a game right now, and this is a disk bench tool. As you can see, the read and write is pretty average, 200 MB and 150 write, and this is the AnTuTu score around 1 lakh. So this is a pretty mid-range device. The price is around 32 or 31,000 right now. So for that price you can buy OnePlus 5T. So I don't think if you are concerned about the performance you will not buy this handset, but the display quality and the Samsung brand, the service center, every few kilometers you can find a Samsung service center, and the Samsung Experience UX. Yes, there is few software additions that is really helpful for non-techie people. So this handset is perfect for your mom, your sister, etc. So if you are concerned about performance, yes, this is a pretty basic performing handset in 2018. But what to say, it does some things nice, because it has a 3500 mAh of battery. It has it should last longer because the processor needs less power than the Snapdragon 835. So this should last longer than the OnePlus 5 or 5T. and you can play games like this this is perfectly fine for playing games, decent in photo. And the Samsung brand service centers and the software additions, if you like that, you no problem getting this handset. And if you are worried about few seconds delay in opening games and that performance stuff, OnePlus 5 or 5T will be good for you. And I brought this for my sister, and I think she will going to love this. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. This is Vishnu. Bye.